Hello, I'm Jessica Amir for the Finance News Network, and joining me from Actcelerate International Group are directors CK Cheong and James Huey. CK, James, welcome to Sydney.
Thanks.
Yes, thank you.
So first up, CK, can you give us an introduction to the company?
Actcelerate International Group is an investing company based in Southeast Asia. We focus investing in 4 major sectors, namely Internet of Things, retail, art and design creativity, as well as green technology. We invest in the SME and startup company in the Southeast Asia. Through our fund management and expertise, we then provide this company with the opportunity to expand and to accelerate their market globally.
So over to you, James. Can you tell us more about the company, starting with the investments?
Sure. We aim to take an equity position in companies that have a valuation in the $10 to $50 million range. And we're looking for companies that, as CK said, that have good growth prospects in the region. And we aim to work with the company to help them to add value for their shareholders and to us because we're investing. And we're looking for companies where the leadership has passion to develop their business, and we will help them to grow.
So James, what about your competitive advantage?
Our competitive advantage comes from the strengths we have available in our team and with the advisors that we also engage with. We aim to add value to the companies, and we are not short-term investors. We are there for the long haul. We want to help the company's owners and managers to develop a long-term sustainable business.
And what about the returns that you're targeting and what investors need to understand?
Well, I think firstly investors need to understand that we are aiming to develop long-term value in the companies we invest in. So we're looking for returns in the long term of an average of in excess of 15% per annum. And we will be monitoring the performance of the companies very closely to help them achieve those targets.
Thanks, James. Back to you, CK. Now to your listing. How much are you looking to raise and why have you chosen to list on the National Stock Exchange?
We are planning to raise up to 10 million Australian dollar. We are expecting to list on the NSX by end of August. So the reason of being listing on the NSX is that it adds a value of transparency to the company, and this will certainly raise our company profile and it creates a liquidity to the company.
So James, what are the ambitions for the company?
Well, our ambitions for the company are obviously to grow it, and we aim to do that by investing in 30 to 50 SMEs in the region, and we will help them to develop and grow. And as our portfolio grows, we may well come back to the market for more funds so that we can acquire more interest in other companies.
Thanks for that, James. So now to performance. Can you give us an example of one of your investments that's done really well?
Sure. One of our early investments has been in a business venture called Trendy County by a company called iPort. Now, this company has a very unique retailing proposition. It's a very intelligent vending machine, if you like, that creates a very interesting experience for shoppers. And the company has been performing very well so far in Malaysia. And the company will be aiming to expand its business into the region. The returns so far have been quite good.
Further to that, the vending machine itself has an intelligent camera on it. It determines the gender of the customer, whether it's a male or female. It then could recommend the customer with the product they might be interested in. When they make the purchase, the customer will key in the information to the machine. The machine will collect the data, and over the time, this data is extremely valuable to the company itself.
So last question to you both. Where do you see the company in 12 months from now and longer term?
In 12 months from now, we hope to have invest into the exciting company from the Asia-Pacific region.
Yeah, and to do that, we'll expand our geographical presence. We aim to establish offices in China, in Singapore and in Jakarta, and that will enable us to tap into the local investment community and cherry-pick the best opportunities.
Sounds exciting. Well, CK Cheong, James Huey, thank you so much for the update and good luck with the listing.
Thank you.